Hello everybody, my name is Doomfish. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a water elevator in Minecraft. This design is very compact, as you can see. All the redstone fits underneath this area right here. And all it is just a little machine here that swaps the blocks from this block to that block, and we can see that it'll go ahead and push us up to the very top. And then the magma cube, or the magma block rather, will get switched back out so we can fall all the way back down to the bottom again. So this is completely flush with the ground. As you can see, I've placed a bunch of glass blocks down here, but you can replace these with whatever blocks you want. The only thing is we have to have a magma block here, and we have to have our button block here, so we can activate our system like so. So let's show you the materials needed to build this machine. You'll need 3 sticky pistons, 2 normal pistons, 2 water buckets to make an infinite water source, a stone button or any other kind of button, 2 signs, 1 magma block, 1 soul sand block, 64 solid blocks, 2 comparators, 2 redstone torches, 18 pieces of redstone dust, 7 redstone repeaters, 2 target blocks, and 2 stacks of glass. So first up, go ahead and place down 4 temporary blocks like so up in the air if you're building this on a flat surface. If not, you'll just need this amount of space below your elevator here. Then go ahead and place down a sticky piston facing upwards, another temporary block, and then a magma block here, and then we can break all of these blocks here. Now what we can go ahead and do is place down some glass around the sides of this magma block, and then go up however high you want your elevator to be. So you can have this infinitely high up, you can have it all the way up to build limit if you wanted to. I'm just going to build it up about 15 to 20 blocks, just to give you a good example of how these things work. If you do have it taller, you are going to need a little bit more redstone to get this thing to work. Now on the left side here, go ahead and place down 2 pieces of glass here, and break these blocks right here, which are going to be our entrance, and we can go ahead and place down our signs in here. Now you can get your infinite water source ready, and just go ahead and head up this machine, or up this shaft here, and go ahead and place down your water buckets on every single block, making sure that all of these are water sources. Now we can go ahead and place 2 temporary blocks, one to the left and one to the right on this side, and then go ahead and place down some pistons facing inward like so. We can break these blocks, and on the right piston, go ahead and place down a soul sand block. Now we can head to the back side of our machine here, and go ahead and place down 1 temporary block behind the sticky piston. Then place a target block to the left, break that temporary block, and then go ahead and place a redstone torch down like so. Now go ahead and place down 1 temporary block behind that target block, place down a piece of glass underneath it, break this block right here, and then go ahead and place down 1 temporary block underneath that glass, place down 2 solid blocks to each side of that temporary block, and then we can break this block right here, and go ahead and place redstone dust on each of these 5 blocks. Now on the left 2 blocks, go ahead and place down 1 block out like so, 1 block up in front of that, and then 1 block to the right and up like so. Now place down a redstone repeater set to 3 ticks here, and then place down 1 piece of redstone dust here. Now on the right side, we're going to go ahead and place down 1 block like so, 1 block above it, break this block right here, place down 1 block here, and 1 block underneath this piston, and we're going to put our repeater right here, set it to 3 ticks again, and place down 1 piece of redstone dust on this block right here. Now back to the front of the elevator, go ahead and place down a solid block right here, with a stone button on top, place down a temporary block underneath it, and then a solid block. We can break that block right there. Go ahead and place down 1 piece of redstone dust, go ahead and head down 1 block like so, place another piece of redstone dust, and then we're going to go ahead and head down 1 more block, place a block to the right, place down 3 blocks to the left of each of these blocks like so. We can go ahead and place down 1 block here, put a repeater set to 1 tick facing from this dust into this block here. Now go ahead and place down some redstone dust here and here, put a comparator facing towards this direction, and then 1 facing towards this direction, and then go ahead and place down a target block to the right like so, and place down 1 redstone dust on this block to the left. Now if you've done this all correctly, we should get a pulse extender machine right here, so we can see it functioning when we press this button. Now, this machine will work fine if your elevator is about 20 blocks tall. I think the max might be around 23 blocks. If it's taller than that, you might actually need to extend this out. So to do that, all we have to do is go ahead and place down a little bit more comparators like so. We just sort of repeat this pattern for however much we need. But for this design, all we need is this space right here. Now near this target block, we're going to head inside of our machine a little bit and place down 1 block right here. We're going to have a repeater set to 1 tick here. We're also going to have a sticky piston facing upwards with a block on top of it. And then to the left on this side, we're going to place down 1 block right here with a repeater set to 4 ticks coming out of it facing towards this direction. Now we can head out of our machine and go ahead and just hook this up to this line right here. So to do that, we're going to place 1 block out, 1 block to the right, and then 1 more block out, and then just put redstone dust on these 3 blocks right here. Now heading back over to the pulse extender side, go ahead and place down a redstone torch right here. We're going to place down a temporary block and then 1 block right here. We can break that temporary block, place down a redstone repeater like so, and then go ahead and place down another sticky piston facing up with a block on top of it like so. and then one more block out here with a redstone repeater set to 4 ticks, just like we did earlier. Now we need to connect this up to this side, and to do that, all we have to do is place down one block here, and then place down redstone dust on these 2 blocks, and our machine should be complete. So just like we saw in the example, we can press this button, and we'll see these blocks will swap, and then we have soul sand, which will shoot us up to the top of our elevator. We pop out on top, and if we ever want to go back down from the top, all we have to do is walk in this. We can hold crouch to go a little bit faster, and there we go. We'll end up at the bottom, and it'll all work just fine. This is a very simple design, and it's pretty much, like I said earlier, can go up from the bottom of the world at bedrock all the way up to the build limit. The only thing is, if you are building one that tall, you will have to make this pulse extender longer, like I showed earlier. But otherwise, this is a very simple and very compact way to build an elevator without using slime block flying machines. So that's going to do it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed or found the video informative, and if you did, don't be afraid to leave a like, and you can subscribe for more content just like this in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.